So we have this interesting question related to numbers. Let's see what we have to do in this. So in these type of questions, we are given four circles and there are four numbers given in each of the circles. We need to find a common relation that is valid on all the four circles. With the help of that relation, we need to find this question mark. Question mark is one number, correct? So let's try to find out that common relation among all the four circles. So what we can do, we can check, we can check vertical numbers like this. Here we have 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a gap of 1. Then we have 3, 9. Right? There is not a gap of 1. That means this vertical number relation is not working. Similarly, we can look for horizontal number relation. 3 and 6. 6 is double of 3. 5 and 1. No, it is not working. That relation is not working here. We can look for a relation diagonally, like 2 and 9 is here, right? 6 and 4 is here. So there is nothing common till now, whether we try to look for a relation vertically, horizontally, or diagonally, correct? We are not able to find any common relation. So what we can do, we can look for, addition or multiplication of all the numbers in a circle. Let's see. If I add 3, 6, 4, and 7, what I will get? I will get 20. Yes, I will get 20. Let me use a different color. You will get 20 here. Similarly, if I add all the numbers in the second circle, what we will get? 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 11 is 20. Again, I'm getting 20. So there is something common. Yes, now I'm able to get that common thing. Let's add these four numbers in the third circle. What is this? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8 is 20. Again, I'm getting 20. The sum of all the four numbers in these three circles is 20. That means the same thing will be valid here. The sum of all the four numbers will be 20. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus what gives us 20? It is 1. So what number will come here? 1. Add all these four numbers, you will get 20. Yes. So in this question, what was the common relation? The sum of all the four numbers in all the circles was 20. So our final answer is, this question mark is equals to 1.